अगर आपका स्कैल्प बहुत ऑयली या ग्रीसी हो जाता है, you wash your hair in the morning, in the night again it's greasy, then you have to treat your scalp differently. I also got a few DMs saying that they have oily and flaky scalp. Flaky scalp is nothing but your dead skin. So using a scalp scrub once in a while can remove the layer of dead skin and make your scalp fresh again.
Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and you're watching me on Sushmita's Diaries. So this was Amit Thakur. He's a famous hairstylist who works with the who's who of Hollywood. So he strongly recommends that you should exfoliate your scalp regularly, especially if your scalp is itchy and dandruff prone. So today I'm going to share a very easy and instant scalp scrub recipe which is going to leave your hair looking very fresh and your scalp very healthy. So let's begin.
First, we need 3 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar will gently exfoliate the buildup from the scalp. You can also use brown sugar. Then goes 3 tablespoons of coffee. Coffee detoxifies the scalp. It also helps get rid of all the product buildup that gets accumulated in the hair roots. And lastly, we need castor or olive oil. I prefer castor oil because it helps with exfoliation without drying the scalp out. Add enough to make a loose paste. So here I have used approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of castor oil, mixing everything together, and here we have our scrub ready. The best part is that you can use this scrub even to exfoliate or polish your body, especially the difficult parts such as your elbows, knees, underarms and ankles, etc., which are a little difficult to clean. But today we are going to use this to exfoliate our scalp. So make sure that your hair and scalp are totally wet because the moisture will help the sugar to do a better job. Apply close to the roots and massage very gently. Please do not put much pressure, and also you do not need to apply this on the hair lengths. Just stick to the scalp. So it's going to take barely 7 to 8 minutes in exfoliating the entire scalp. Also guys, if you experience a lot of flakiness or dandruff, then try this routine once in every 2 weeks or 10 days. Besides the dandruff and flaky scalp, this is great to get rid of product buildup as well. And after this, simply go about shampooing and conditioning as you always do. So guys, try this simple hack out and do let me know in the comments how was your experience. And if you like this video, please follow my channel. All the links are given in the description box, and I will see you all in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.